The idea of adding copper foil shieldings comes way back from the 90s when I first opened up a Pioneer CD players that the manufacturer has added various copper foils at different places in the players, including motors, the ICs and wirings and so forth. So I'm going to add a few copper foils into my SP1000 players to improve the sound quality. I always have a preference of shielding the digital side rather than the analog side, because shielding the digital side will increase the accuracy of the digital stream so that there won't be any errors or induced errors by whatever interference it has onto the digital circuits, digital audio signals. But since this place is already shielded at the analog side, these two are the 4497 DAC chips and some analog circuitry here. It's already shielded by the manufacturer, so I'm just going to add some shields here, here and here. There are some other modifications. We'll actually jump a wire from here directly to the output here. The first company who did this was Red Wine Audio with their AK100. The very first, how many years ago? 2013 or something like that. But I won't be doing that modification here because I would still want to keep this neat and tidy. So some copper foil. I'll actually do a 2-layer because one layer seems a bit thin. So I'll do a 2-layer here, 2-layer here, and a 2-layer on this XMOS. This is the XMOS chip, and these two are actually memories, temporary memories, or the internal memories. Generally speaking, adding copper foil to the digital side, even the memory chips, which may be storing the music inside, or maybe a buffering when the music is actually being transferred from the SD card to the memory inside, and then to be transferred to the processing ICs, then to reproduce the stream to the DAC. The improvement is a subtle one. What I hear is a slight improvement in terms of the density of the sound. So there's less digital artifacts, you can say. It gives a more slightly smoother, more density, slightly better body kind of improvement. It's a very subtle one. And also it improves the background darkness by a tiny bit. The reason why I don't like to shield the analog side is because less shielding in the analog side can give a slightly more lively sound reproductions. And one of the typical example would be the Audio Research reference preamp. The top plate is actually made of plastic, acrylic plastic. Okay, the job done, completed. Nah, I actually have to cut everything out, otherwise they're going to short circuit. Technically speaking, these copper foils should be grounded, but since I'm already getting a good result, I'm going to leave them as it is. Adding a small amount of paint for corrosion resistance. The rest is just a matter of putting it back together. How about I put another piece right over here. Okay, the last thing is just to clean it up a little bit and putting it back together. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in this sort of videos, please like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you next time.